Okay fellas, so this is one, the fake one or the genuine Makita. What you think? And the problem is weak of power. Let's start from the front. Okay, can I take it? Probably not. Okay. And it's a Torx screws. That's another for the genuine Makita. Let's open it. Yeah, and it's a normal Makita motor. Okay, lift it up. Let's try to check for the controller. You can see that's a basic cheap Chinese controller, and I think I have one or not. No, the mine is, yeah, it's different. It's from angle grinder or some kind of tool. Okay, so what can be wrong here? Basically now it seems that there's nothing wrong. It's just normal weak. Okay, and the fuck, we have the grease all the way on the motor, on the armature. The grease was going out here, so I don't know, it was overheated or something. That's definitely not nice. Okay, but basically it is like it is. It's a cheap motor, cheap tool, and it will not have more power.